All right, so welcome to our closing assembly for Hearts of Gold. So for this year, we raised a total of, drum roll please, $116.28.
Last year we donated $6,000 because of all the hard work you guys have donated. We were able to donate 3,000 more than last year.
Now for our top donating classes. In 5th place, Mrs. Blue came in with $561.
In 4th place, Mr. Stone's class with $665. Rhoda's class with $682.
And now for the runner-up, we have Mrs. Dur's class with $1,100.
And the winning class for Hearts of Gold is Mrs. class with $1,467.
One sec. Oh yeah. I gotta share my screen on the Zoom real fast, so hang tight.
With it, group drop.
It's coming up today. Okay? You raised the money for it. You want to see it. Get it there.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good.
Oh.
Don't forget to donate.
Yeah, let's bring this all back. I think I heard something about it. No, it's not.
Yes.
I don't want to do that. No one.
All righty.
That's not true.
You get a countdown for me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Those are some strong fingers.
Oh,
I'm taking you over to school. How does it look?
Is this too?
All right, here's all the money we earned.
You can take the time to cry.
Here you go.
Thank you, guys.
What? That's the most even verified.
Go get another haircut.
Hey, Tucker, your line.
Thank you all for doing what the gold bus. Thanks for doing our last assembly. And thanks. Have a nice day.
Thanks everybody on the Zoom for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. It'll get sent out later. Okay, goodbye.